Hi guys, today we are going to play Rainbow Friends Chapter 3. Cause as you know that Rainbow Friends Chapter 3 is a hard game and I haven't even finished it. So that's why I wanna play it. This is Rainbow Friends 3. As you know, that blue is actually called Rainbow. Hey guys, did you know that this is actually it? Can't you see? It's saying danger. Get in the bus. Can't you hear that heartbeat? Hide in here when you hear the heartbeat. Okay, 2 items found. You're so scared. I'm so scared that I can't go outside. I'm too scared of these bacons. Do you know why? Because bacons have bacon's heads, and I don't eat bacon. Oh my gosh, don't go out there. Don't go out there. If you're going out there, I'm not. If you're going out there, I'm not going out there, guys. Okay, guys, as you know, the Rainbow Friend is actually a crazy game. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more people, and we need 8 items to collect. As you know, guys, that we have 7, because the person already found one. But none of us got wins. So that actually means that we're actually gonna lose. But the help from me there's only 4 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I don't know what to do. There's only 4. Don't know. 6 items, 9 found. Guys, if this means boom 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 boom, that does actually mean if it's boom 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 Rainbow isn't that close, but it was boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom. As you know, guys, we already got 3 players, and we need to make 6 items. He was hiding in there the whole time. It's actually a hack that you can do. Get out of the locker, then do that. Look at them just do that. Oh my gosh. Guys, I actually saw you can do this. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. You can actually go back then out. That person's still in the locker. So we're all questioning, how do we escape? I don't know, guys. I can buy everything. So I only got 4 Robux. And if this turns red, bro, don't go outside. Don't go outside, bro. Rainbow might come. Guys, this is actually really bad. Because if it's actually bad, that means we can't beat the game. That's just a little hack and a little knowing and how to play the game. I can actually do that. Oh, guys, go through the safe way and do that, then you do. It's big, bro. No, 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 I'm not coming out. Hope Rainbow doesn't come. Guys, did you know you can act 4 items? No, I'm not going out. Guys, did you know down here, you see down there, there's a secret ending. I wonder why there's a secret ending. There has to be. Guys, there's only 2 of us left. If we can make it, just 3 items elite. And if one of us dies, it'll only be them. Then they'll have to play again. let's just sing there. Run! One item left to collect. Yeah, finally been done. It's the super beam! Don't get him yet! Ah! Oof. Ah, get him! Ah! Super beam! No, that way! Not that way! Jump! Teleport. Oh no. Super speed. He almost crashed into me. Whoa. Now get him! Oh no. Oh, super beam. Oh. Oh my gosh. What is that? Now get him. No, jump out of the way. We got him. Backpacks. I wonder why we need like 50 backpacks. Said we need to defeat. We can't jump in this game. I don't know why. We can't jump in Rainbow Friends normally, but why did they add a jump boost? we found. I guess I like this bacon. I know everything he has. He's got everything. Oh yes. Let's go. Brain matter. Ten items. After that, we're gonna have to get pencils to defeat red. Seven items. 8 items found. Guys, I'll tell you something. If you see the lights open and there's red lights, go and find a locker right now. Because rainbow is coming or orange is coming. Four items, nice. Oh. 3 items, nice. 600 million items, not nice. 1 item, nice. Million items, nice. Million items, not nice. No! Please. Can he still revive? Please. Nope. Guys, he died. We can't do anything about it. Bye guys, just a bit of a little bit. And that's how you get a bit of health done from blue and rainbow. The next video, I'll see you video. The next one, I'll show you how to beat chapter 4. Because how do other people know how to defeat rainbow but not red? So people who don't play chapter 3, play it now. So that's how to beat rainbow. Bye guys. I'll see you in the next video.